She is leaving the crowd in anticipation of waiting for this epic moment. Let's get ready to
Oh my god.
This was no snagging!
Just getting to the trail is hectic. How you doing over there, Matt?
Doing good.
He's loving it.
Hopefully there's nobody here because fuck all this work. Here we go. Oh, thank God it's ours.
Woo! You did it! High five. God, this spot is just so beautiful. Look at that. Get to wake up to that. There's the Ambo. Got the beautiful bikes in the back. So happy we made it. It's gorgeous. Got the Honda ST90. We got the Kawasaki 80 and my KTM 85. Matt's got the fire going.
Here you go, Steve. You need to do some upgrades next year.
How'd you get it running, Matt?
We used the impact gun.
Really? You just spun it?
Yep.
Just spun it in the oil now.
Put this on
It
the
sounds
nut of
like
the
it's on
flywheel. You went.
It doesn't sound like it
Until
has
it
a lot
started.
of...
Nice. Woo! What is all that?
Come on, guys. Check this out. Check this out.
I brought rubber
Full mods.
things.
We got PVC pipe, and then we got, what is that? A coffee can?
That is a Torque coffee can. Torque Classic Roast.
Oh!
Oh, what do we got here?
Quality speed parts.
Whoa.
Very nice.
Oh, high quality stuff.
Speed.
Speed
Amen.
parts.
Pick that up at the gas station on your way?
No, I actually had to order that one.
Oh,
in.
actually.
It was the only one that would get here in time.
That's nice and big.
That might be too big.
Man, you can go through all the puddles in the world now this year.
That was the plan.
No more blown up diesel.
No more blown up diesel. No more blown up. Well, I mean, I guess it's already blown up.
Well,
Less blown up than it was.
Yeah.
This is true engineering at its finest.
Yeah, this is what I spent all my time doing instead of making the thing run.
it's okay because we got it running while we were here, so all that time was worth it.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it. Oh, it is longer than the coffee can.
What in the actual fuck?
Cold air intakes are supposed to go right over the exhaust, right?
Sure.
Yeah, no, that didn't,
Yeah, she's a little wrecked there, buddy.
Holy cow, what the hell happened, dude?
That was from last year.
Well, you were there.
Yeah.
You can barely see through. What? Oh, is this the one that got wet?
No, that was the one that I pulled off from last year.
When he's going through all the mud.
You can't even see through this thing.
That's not even the one from the diesel.
You shut it off when I'm done.
Pull the spark plug.
Oh, okay.
Does this one have brakes?
No brakes.
I mean,
It does,
That,
it's
that,
got-
that little,
No
this
brakes
little,
and no kill switch. At least I had a
this
kill
little pedal
switch.
here, back tires. It kind of slows you down, but you gotta use your heels.
How was that, Matt? I already offered Ethan
It's a death
$500 and he took it.
Hell no. There is no way. I disagree.
It's yours now.
It's mine.
You gotta love it.
No thanks.
Gotta live with it.
It's okay, but
That's generous.
Dude, yeah, this snorkel system.
That felt good.
Yeah, there's no way you're making it, dude. He's cheating. He knows the cheat code. He took the gas thing off. 46.
That felt good. They're fine. Mark! That just sounds anticlimactic. That was a good corner, though.
Oh, wow, yeah.
That was a really good corner.
Definitely made some time on that one.
All right. What did you think you make, Steve?
Probably like 50.
55, 51.
Pete's cut of tires.
I thought you made a lot of time on those turns.
It's so swirly.
How do you feel?
I don't know, 35, 40 seconds.
57, 47. Steve beat you by 2 seconds.
Dude, I was giving her.
Yeah.
That was the most fastest I've ever driven a dirt bike on off-road shit.
Girls, you are the winner.
I
don't know about
Oh, shit. Ethan, you're going too?
Ethan hasn't gone
Now there's pressure. Now it's all chewed up, and there's pressure on. And I just gotta not fall.
The Ferrari is I gotta like lean back.
Ah.
That way the front tire doesn't dig so much.
There you go.
Gotta use the same.
I got
Gotta use
the
the
timer
same
handle.
phone timer to make sure it's.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna be quick.
You guys can go faster downhill because you guys have big tires.
He definitely made. Oh, he's gonna be.
He's gonna be in the 30s, 35 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Disqualified.
Oh no! Wait, is it the belt? Oh, through a chain.
How was the time up to that point?
Well, it was. You were like right at 40 seconds.
Oh,
You slowed down a little bit around that turn bad down there.
Yeah, you were doing really well up until that the turn down at the bottom there.
I had it on there and then it got stuck under one of the nuts.
perfect.
Oh, this is so loose.
Uh-oh.
Holy smokes.
No wonder up here. I had to fix that.
Yeah. Super loose.
I lost the master, but I lost the plate on the side of the master.
Jeez, dude.
This chain ain't too hot.
That's a lot of carnage. So we're looking for like a cookie trail of parts here?
Oh, yeah, I mean, the master link's bent and snapped, and
Okay.
the side plate's gone.
Okay.
There's metal shavings all over here.
Oh, shit.
Teeth are all chewed up.
Oh,
Or is that from the side of my truck?
might be.
Where you got metal shavings?
In the sand. It's chewed up. It's okay.
Well, if we don't move the sand too much and we look carefully, we might find the rest of the master link.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
I have a spare.
Give us with you.
Yes. That's my only spare.
I'm gonna need it.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
That's what I got left.
Okay. Oh yeah.
I mean, it tossed it like right back here, right where Matt's looking, where it tossed it. So it's probably here somewhere.
Careful, boys.
Holy shit. Wow, he's going fast.
He's gonna die.
He's going fast.
That's my only bike, so I gotta make sure it makes it the rest of the day.
What's the time?
41.99.
Very nice.
41.99.
I feel like it, dude. You feel like floating.
I'll yep, you got the record.
Hail.
All hail.
That bike is the tape.
That torque converter makes all the difference.
Yep.
Hold on.
Ethan, you seem to be in the same predicament every year. It's like deja vu.
Yeah.
Good job, girls. Woo!
Carrying trays, but couldn't carry a toolbox.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one's loose. My nitbacks!
You know what? We'll call that one good. It just rolled and it pushed forward and got it really. Okay, there we go. Let's go to
It almost became part of the bike. At least until we got back.
If it would have been, it would have been.
Fast in fucking Florida because the chain destroys itself. We can start making our way back towards camp and then take some side adventures on the way. There were a few that we drove past on the way here.
You guys, I don't care what we do.
We gotta see where this goes.
We can go see where that goes. It probably doesn't go that far.
What, Ethan?
What happened?
That's good. That's gonna be rough.
What's wrong?
Dude, where'd the master link go?
Ethan?
You lose my master link?
It was sitting right here. Like up top.
It was still in its package, yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't have blown, like it wouldn't have blown away. It was heavy and sitting right in it.
This motherfucker.
What?
It couldn't have gone far.
Couldn't have gone far, did it?
No, it couldn't have gone far.
Aren't you holding it?
What?
What?
Is this
You
it?
got it.
Where? It's right there in your hands, Ethan. Right there, Ethan.
I took it to it.
You asshole.
We're gonna lose the shop. We're gonna lose the shop.
I was trying to toss it in your hand, it didn't work.
Creating theatrical drama.
Sorry. All for the
Entire
YouTube.
mini bike gambler is staged.
You caught us, guys.
Said don't run.
Well, honestly, like, you're like, I cannot lose this Master Link, so I'm like, I'm just gonna slip it in my pocket.
That's when you had the idea.
Yeah,
I absolutely cannot lose this match.
yeah.
What are you doing to me, boy?
Nothing.
It wouldn't be Steve if he didn't fuck around with me.
Yeah, this is true. Where the hell did you find that, dude?
Sitting on the trail back there.
There's a pole.
A little bit.
Now, how hilarious would that be?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
they
yeah.
blew it up.
Let me get some starting fluid in there.
Get this out.
Oh, shit, there's gas in it.
There we go. Here we go.
Give it a shot. Oh, I think it's gonna pop.
Somebody hold it down.
Something tells me it doesn't have spark.
It
but-
says secure long hair. Never use drugs. Oh, we didn't read the owner's manual. That was the issue.
I say we pull if we can get it back to camp, we pull the cover off and impact it and get her to run.
Yeah, beginner riders need mature instructions.
I think you might have a, yeah, I was going to say,
We
I
got
think
this,
you might need a
YouTube.
new spark plug in there, but
Yeah.
No?
How the hell does that end up out here?
someone dumped it.
Al, there's a little gas for you.
Good, I need it.
It might get you like nowhere, but it's a little bit of gas.
How many miles do you think we went, guys?
I can tell you, it's probably I think it's like 7 or 8.
That's all I got.
You want to fill it up quick?
Yeah, I'm at less than half a tank.
No, we're not duct taping to the frame of the
That's never gone back before.
Look at that, you have extra power.
Yeah.
Bro, you just went from like a 223cc to 300.
Do you want me to break out the long ratchet strap, but I don't have a ratchet on it, so we're just gonna
Just wrap it?
Yeah, it's not.
Bolt on power.
Yeah, and I can see that strap coming loose and getting wrapped in Ethan's wheel. Damn. Adjusted the handlebars to feel better.
Yep, she ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going
All
nowhere.
right, Ethan, you gonna put another lap time down?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, that wasn't a joke.
Oh, he was serious. And he's got a handicap. That should count for,
That's a 5-second handicap.
that's a 5-second, yeah.
Someday.
Right today.
Well, is it a handicap though? Because now he's got more
After
weight
we
over his
explore
rear
that,
side.
maybe.
Going through the mud.
Oh, nasty. Yeah, I don't want to go through this with that, this, but with Baja, I won't give a shit. I think my air filter got wet.
Yeah, the bike didn't feel like it was helping me very much.
Just a little tap.
Just remember, what you do is what you get back.
I got like one piece on you. I got myself more.
Oh gosh, that is floppy.
Bad motivators that come help you.
I think I got the.
It looks like it's
chain
on.
back on. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's no fancy.
baby stuff.
Oh, it's not supposed to idle like that.
No.
Oh no. Just so you know, that is not a two-stroke engine.
Go, go, go! Jesus Christ, dude.
I tell you what, I'm not running behind.
Yeah. Good luck. Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, guys.
Weekly maintenance, you should excavate your
That
spark
is a
plug.
lot of dirt.
Well, now I can't pull the spark plug out because so much dirt's gonna fall in the cylinder.
Don't do it. Need a power washer. We gotta wash this.
Yep.
Here we go, right here. I'm the power washer.
What are you washing over here?
Come take a look.
Oh boy. Wisco Shenanigans. Check it out. It's a good channel. Well, you're watching it right now, so obviously. Obviously you guys like the channel if you're watching it. Come on, it's redemption!
Oh,
I
it
s-
feels like it's got something.
I smell gas.
No.
Nah, she dead.
I missed it.
I got it.
Oh.
Fuck the shoes at this point.
Oh, your throttle's fucked.
That's wide open.
Here, try that.
This one? Well, what's wrong with that?
That's what I said. Like, send it again, man. You got branches over there to catch you.
Dude, that was a little spooky, gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, I don't
It
blame you.
just bound up. It was wide open going down that trail. And I just like couldn't stop it. Like I was.
You got no kill switch.
I don't know. I had no kill switch. I was like going just wide open.
And you have no brakes?
I had to jump. I just jumped it, and I couldn't get out of the bike fast enough. I just.
Did you like hurt yourself?
Yeah, like it went like pegs went right into the back of my leg again, and I
Oh,
just
no.
like
Oh no.
the fenders all like I crashed the bike. Like
Just
that was unpleasant.
is the spring not pulling it back enough?
I mean, now it seems like it's fine, right? Maybe.
Yeah, until it sticks again. and
Yeah,
then you go hit
it's
it
fine
free.
until it's not.
I think it's too tight on the cable itself, and that's what's it's like the sleeve of the cable. I think it's this. Yeah, because I think because it didn't stick until it.
Yeah, now it's good.
That's good. It doesn't back. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, once I went through the water, it just all of a sudden, for whatever reason, because it did it the first time, but I was able to work it free. That second time I could not. And I was getting up to top speed, and I do not want to be going top speed down these. Like I can't.
You would have been severely hurt.
Yeah, I cannot get to wide open throttle on these.
The solution to that is you got to go top speed to the sand pit to jump off in the
Oh
sand
my
pit.
lord. It's
I
like,
wish I would have seen that. Holy shit, that must have been.
I can't. You looked away. I was still going on this trail, and everybody looked away. Shit. Let me clean my goggles off so I can see. It's
Dry.
definitely this one.
That's what killed the diesel?
That's what killed the diesel. The right side. And it was. I think it was.
It was this side.
Yeah, it was the right side because everybody took the left or the middle.
I took the
The grills went through the right.
side, yeah.
Yeah.
And you said, "Oh, that's deep."
And then you just got, I think you were real excited.
I was excited. I was like, I can't just cop out and take the not deep side.
Yeah. There goes the throttle. Oh,
Why does it do that?
the water, it doesn't like the water.
Why does water do? I don't get it.
Let's go, boys. Woo! Oh my God, Steve. How was that?
I'm soaked.
Yeah, with a flat tire bike.
Oh, I couldn't see coming out the other side of that. That was great. Wow.
Man, you didn't want to try this?
Dude, you are fucking, oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's some rad shit, dude.
That was fun. Redemption.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
Oh, thank you, sir. No, it's on the inside.
Oh. Hey, I know that feeling.
Matt.
Oh, there's my air filter.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. You. Oh, jeez.
Matt, you know what the definition of insanity is?
What?
Doing the same thing twice. There's water coming out of the air filter.
Stop, don't do
It's still
anything.
in there. It's,
Just let it, hold on.
doing the same thing twice and expecting different results.
Fuck it, it's good. I can't see, but we're good.
I can't see, but we're
I should
good.
have put my damn visor down.
Wow.
there's a little water in there.
It really makes me curious as to why Coleman doesn't originally design their air filters to be like buckets.
I think we
think
found
that's
the
why.
limits of the 3D printed baffle for sure.
Oh, ooh.
Well, it also is like a water scoop.
Yeah,
You got that
yeah,
lined
that's
up.
exactly what it was probably. Holy smokes. The last one did her in.
Maybe put that at the top and drill holes in the bottom for drain.
Yeah, maybe.
You just gotta add another baffle.
You know, it's,
Because it was
we
running.
should
and
all
it just
start the
kinda
weekend
died.
with a shitty engine so that we can
Didn't
leave with a
blow
better
up.
bike. Every
Every time.
And we don't have to be afraid. We always have more fun because we're not afraid of blowing up the engine. Exactly.
What the fuck happened?
Someone want to hold on to that and keep it safe.
Customers. Clean that
Dude,
up.
it's burnt on. Look at this.
Oh, it's
It's hard as a rock, dude. I'm peeling it off in
Hold
chunks.
on.
Wow.
You had some starter fluid?
Dude, look at it. It's just coming off in chunks. Dude.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Dude, when
the
it's
worst one
baked
I've
on
seen.
like that, dude, it was running pretty hot to bake it.
Well, you gotta remember all that oil too.
Yep. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am soaking wet.
I am wet. You probably have to spray it down with starter fluid to get the crap out of what I loosened, but I think this is nice Leatherman. Thank you.
Okay, back you go.
Did you pull it a few times to make sure there's no water in there?
Yeah, I pulled it, nothing came out. I'm sure there was a little something in there.
Probably swap the engine so that spark plug doesn't get too dirty anymore.
Yeah. That is pretty much the solution that I'm looking at. A
Oh,
while ago. I don't know when, but
'cause
is it like right here?
oh, so it just had no.
It had no.
Yeah, suction.
Yeah, okay. Alright, that
Suck.
makes sense.
It was siphoning the tank.
This thing is soaked, so it's plugged.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
plugged.
Pull that out, or do you want to?
Oh yeah. Yeah, rip her out.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's.
Oh wait, there might be water in there though. We don't want to suck that up.
Pull this
tank.
off and blow it out.
Sure, yeah. I'll put this back on.
So what happened was, he has a breather tube that lets air in, but he had like a little piece of cloth in there to keep it so that dirt wouldn't get in there, but then he got full of water and it acted as a siphon and plugged up the tank.
Gotcha.
In here was really fun.
Quicker than it's nibble. How soft is that?
Oh, Matt. You only have one pair of shoes.
Mud.
Why?
I was like, well, how soft could it be?
Well, let the person with the boots. Oh, shit.
Okay, it's soft.
Okay, oh, okay, well.
If it was more solid, I would have walked out there.
Well, it's just soft right here. It gets more solid out there.
That's what you said.
Yeah.
It looks like sand in there. You try to balance on that log and test it out. Al has the deepest boots.
Oh, no.
Are they waterproof, Al?
Yeah. They
I
are
know.
today.
Real quick.
It probably gets more solid right past that gunk.
There's gunk everywhere, Steve. And I'm not good at balancing. This is bad idea. Let's not do that.
Let's do it.
Much better.
I think because I had my phone in my hand, maybe. Fuck. We're done.
Oh shit. Duct tape.
No, that top one's tight enough. We're good. And the bottom one is definitely stripped out. Okay. Wait, strip that out too? No, that's good.
We're going uphill too on the way out of here, so.
Yeah, easy.
Injection air where I could have pipes going under into
yeah.
like a blower.
Is that just that whole bottle?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a lot in that bottle still.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Love the feeling of damp pants in the morning.
Well, Matt, was it a successful trip?
Totally.
Ow, my. What the? You're rowdy. Holy.
I got a leg cramp there.
I think it sounds rough.
That's fun. Try that.
Wisco Shenanigans.
Welcome to Wisco Shenanigans.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Okay. Damn, son.
doesn't have enough balls to have
Hey! Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I can't hit the hill with this thing. There's no way in hell. Oh, that would hurt.
Are you okay?
Dude, your face kind of almost went in.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
No collarbones are broken?
Yeah.
All right.
Did you hit this, bruise the same spot again?
Man.
That's not the bad shoulder, is it?
No, that was a good shoulder.
Okay.
He's okay. It's a little hurt.
Yeah. You only made it like 10 feet in. What the
If
hell?
that was hard ground, you would have been broken.
Oh, that fucking hurt.
And you guys are like, this is sand. You'll be fine, Al. Look at him. The poor guy.
Shoulder first.
Oh,
dude,
shit.
That was a rough one.
Well, we can see the instant
no.
replay.
All right, there you go, Steve.
Yeah, come on.
Steve,
Steve.
Steve,
No,
Steve,
you gotta
Steve,
go now.
Steve, 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 Steve.
He said it. It's death.
Oh, it's death.
I would agree. Steve, there you go, Steve.
Oh, no, dude.
That's why it feels good. Oh, you'll be all good for next weekend.
I can't believe that feels worse or that looks worse than this, because this hurts more, I think. Oh boy.
Carnage.
Where did that even hit?
It must have been the
back
handle.
of the engine on the way down, I think.
We're gonna have to look at the footage
Yeah, I
again.
don't know, because I was, yeah, it would have hit the gas tank, right?
I don't fucking know. I don't know.
Don't work. It's just slipping. It's look it. It slips on itself.
Oh, yeah.
Ride that shit with
Oh, they go.
Oh, well. Oh, ew.
Oh,
Should we have
no.
sand in there for traction?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. We could.
There's no way I ride that shit with.
We could sprinkle some sand on here. It should get gritty.
The throttle just spun
Yeah, I
backwards
know.
and I had no throttle.
Wait.
We're fixing it. Adding grit.
I think that makes it worse.
No, it's just crunchy.
You fucking. It's just crunchy.
Yeah, it just spins. Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Holy man, it's
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
try lubing it up a little bit down there.
sure ain't got any.
Is
You have
this,
any
is
lube?
this too tight on it?
Did I? Woo! Fuck yeah!
towards the end there.
Oh,
That
man,
ending
so
was
close, babe.
that was something else. 59.
What'd you get?
56.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Dude, I floored. I thought I was gonna hit the bike. I swear to God.
That was a fast downhill.
Yeah, you made up some time on the downhill.
Hurry, get up! He's laughing.
Everything else had a 2% like it's perfect. What are we bottoming out on when we hit a death?
Jesus.
52.51.
That was really good.
Damn it, Steve. Let's see the chain. Let's see the carnage.
The chain a little too high.
Oh, damn.
Dude, this chain was free.
Thanks for watching.
Pretty close to the top.
I see it.
So maybe put a little more in.
What happened, Matt?
Well, we got this damn thing built, and now it burns a lot of oil. But I also did a lot of engine work, and I forgot to top it off. So
How much oil has it burned, Matt?
don't ask, Steve. Don't ask.
Almost this whole fucking thing.
He's put over 2 gallons of oil in it
Yeah.
already.
Let's just say 2 gallons it's gone through.